So, no, I wouldn't say I have a passion for HR.
Welcome back to Human Resources for the People.
Consulting is a labor organizing strategy used by labor unions to facilitate the process of unionizing a workplace. The term SALT refers to a union organizer who seeks employment at a non-unionized company with the intention of promoting and eventually leading a unionization effort among the employees. Here's how union consulting typically works. Infiltration: union organizers, referred to as SALTs, apply for jobs at non-unionized companies. Then they begin to build support with relationships with their coworkers. Then they educate using their colleagues about the benefits of unions, workers' rights, and collective bargaining, gather support. Informal union efforts within representation efforts. It can be an effective strategy for unions to
What do you
organize
think about
workplaces
today's
where
video?
employees might
Please,
initially be hesitant or
comment down
fearful of
below.
openly supporting
Like,
unionization
share, and
due to
subscribe.
potential
It really
employer
helps out.
resistance or
And
union
I'll see you on the
sentiment.
next one.